Obviously have my project that I just started. I have knitted on the desired amount of stitches that I need, and I also have a stitch marker. So the first thing I'm going to do is cast on my stitches, which I have already done. I currently have 80 stitches on my needles. What I'm going to do now is I am going to add one more stitch onto my circular needle. So there you go. So now I have 81 stitches. Before I continue now, in order to start joining everything in the round, I am going to make sure that all of my stitches are facing the right direction. As you can see, it's kind of twisted here a little bit. So I'm just going to make sure everything, like all of these little bumps that I have for my stitches, I'm going to make sure that they're all facing inward. Let me double check this. Everything looks good. All right. So now I'm going to start joining my work in the round. So what I'm going to do here is grab my circular needle, and I'm going to kind of push these stitches up a little bit. Okay. All right, so how we're going to join this in a round. In the beginning, it's kind of hard. The stitches are, kind of tight, but we'll get through it. Now I am going to take my right hand needle and place it into the stitch on the left hand needle. So almost going purlwise, and I'm going to yank it off. So that's off the left hand side and on my right hand needle. Now I'm going to take my left hand needle and I'm going to put it in the stitch right behind that, like that. And then I'm going to take that stitch and I'm going to pull it over that stitch that I just brought over, like that. And then the stitch I just pulled over, I'm going to drop that, and I'm going to take my tail, I'm going to tighten it up a little bit, and there you have it. You have joined your stitches in a round. Now when I come back around, I will have the opportunity to tighten it up, and I'll be able to do that with the tail. So now that I've added everything together, I am going to take my stitch marker, but I have this cute little stitch marker, and I'm going to put it on my right hand needle, and this will tell me where the beginning and end of my round is. And now you are ready to start knitting your project. And you just go, you start knitting.